I get asked quite a bit about what is the latest technology for self-generating power. A lot of people are asking about photovoltaics, battery storage, an engine, a turbine, microturbine, or even a fuel cell. But really, it starts with a plan. It's hard to identify any one given technology if you don't have a plan. So whether that's following a strategic facility master plan with a site utility master plan, so rather than starting build out buildings by buildings, start looking at it from more of an overall perspective, an overall campus. That way we can right size it. But before we right size it, we also want to get we want to reduce before you produce. So getting the energy reduction is a first step. So part of that is having the plan, having the goals, and then maybe doing a simple energy audit. So that energy audit can go in and identifying areas of waste, areas where you could just turn back the dial. So once we've done an energy audit, once we've identified all of the equipment and had an estimated useful life and remaining useful life, we can then start selecting equipment that is more energy efficient as it starts to expire. So now we've got our energy profile further down, but we also want to take a look at shifting that energy to when the costs are less. So perhaps maybe produce chilled water at night, put into a storage of some type, whether that's hydronic, ice, or a phase change material, and then release that energy during the daytime and keep our chillers offline when utility rates are higher. So by doing those things, that can actually reduce your energy and reduce your associated costs before we start even thinking about prime power generation. That's when the real fun starts, and that's when we can start looking at the options that I previously mentioned, the photovoltaics, the battery storage, the fuel cell, the engines, and the turbines, and recovering some of that heat for another useful benefit, whether that's steam, hot water, or even an absorption chiller. Those all have additional benefits that in general, in total, increases the site resiliency, redundancy, reliability, while reducing the carbon footprint and also reducing your total cost. Improves your bottom line. So that's really how you get to the step of getting your on-site power production.